Hello and welcome to the BWC podcast. This is your guide to navigate the world of trading. I am Masingige. On today's topic, we're going to be exploring a topic that every Forex trader needs to know about, Forex Scams. And today I'm honored with me to have two guests who are going to introduce themselves and then we are going to dive into the topic right away. Karibuni sana.
Thank you so much.
You can introduce yourselves and then now we continue with the topic. We'll start with you.
All right, so hey, what's up, guys? So my name is Alex Moravi, the director at Brainship Concepts, a seasoned and experienced trader, 10 years into the trading world. So this is my first podcast to be available on this channel, and I can't wait to have an intriguing, exciting, and informational conversation.
Hello, good people. My name is Mike Mbai. I'm a Forex trader as well as a Forex trainer here at Brains with Concept. And I'm delighted that today I'm in this podcast.
Thank you so much for honoring the invite. We'll dive directly into the topic. Currently, most people have been scammed when it comes to Forex. We've seen it in the news that so many people are complaining that there are people who are scamming them. So why do you think that most scammers are targeting the Forex market?
All right, so I think I usually tell people it's not that people are targeting actually the forex industry, is that scammers are everywhere at each and every day. So whether it's real estate, whether it's kuuza magari, whether it's any other business out there, I think there are scammers everywhere. But now it comes out that forex trading, as you know, we in the 21st century. And forex trading is one of the hot and prime things that is happening in the digital space. So everywhere you go, you'll meet somebody who is either on their charts. I was surprised actually the other day to meet bucha wangu mpaka ana trade mahali mi nunua nyama mpaka bucha ana trade. So like forex trading is the new thing that is also at the same time trending and hot. So scammers pia wamejiposition in the things that are also trending. So I think that is why at the mention of forex trading, the first thing that comes actually in their mind is maybe, is that being a scam? That is actually the first question that somebody is going to ask you. So I think iko namna hivyo. Ama unafikiria namna gani, Mike?
Wangu nafikiria hivi. Now with the hard economic times, like right now you're experiencing, people are looking for a way to earn an honest living. And mostly, people are looking for quick profits. So that's where you find that anything that can make you or can guarantee you like easy money, unapata most people will go for that way, out. Either to make easy money. And unfortunately, in as much as the forex market is a real market, people are making money from it. Most of the scammers have found it's the easiest way to convince people, because when it comes to if you want to scam somebody, you must have like a product. And the easiest way you can do now to convince somebody is to tell them this money that I'm making, it is from this product. And mostly now they are making money from forex. That's why even the returns also that will tell you, it will make more sense, because most people also have realized that forex is a real market. They have also seen people making money. So the easiest way is to tell somebody is to promise somebody high returns, as well as to convince them that these high returns is not coming out of the blues. It is coming from I'm a seasoned forex trader. So the easiest I'm a seasoned forex trader. This is the easiest way to make money. This is where my money is coming from. Yeah.
Okay, I think we can all agree that there's the real Forex and there's Forex scam, right?
Sure.
So, okay, I want to start Forex. How can I know the difference between that this is real and this is a scam?
All right, so identifying between a real forex and forex which is not real,
yes.
state managed forex,
Yes.
is very easy. First of all, there are so many red flags when it comes to people who are promising you like to become an overnight millionaire. So to be honest, let me tell you that there is not that business whereby ni kukaa tu kwa laptop. And actually it's actually also a misconception in many people who want to engage in the online things. People usually have this illusion that okay, kumbe forex mi nita download your software and then I'll just click buy sell buy sell buy sell, then at the end of the day I'll cash out my money, withdraw, go and buy that Mercedes. So there is be on the lookout of people who are promising over promising returns, as like Mike has said. So people need to understand that forex trading is a business like any other. So mse mwenye anauza kwa shop pale hivyo ama mwenye akona supermarket, there's a good day that probably they'll have very big returns or some slightly higher margin, but pia kuna siku ingine unapata leo kumenyesha, watu hawajatokezea and people have not bought any product from me. So I think people need to understand that forex is a business like any other, and any overpromise of gains, then that's the number one red flag. I think the number two of identifying what is real and what is false is at least having the basics of the knowledge of forex trading. Unajua kama unaenda kubuy, for instance, if you're going to buy shamba, you always know the process of buying a shamba is number one, you go and get the title, go and do a copy of search and so on and so forth. So in forex trading also, you need to equip yourself with at least the basics. Because pale hivyo nje pia wasea wameuzwa mpaka MT4 na MT5 yeah. To be honest. So somebody tells you, okay, there is a software that we use, but this software you're gonna have to part with $100 for it. Whereas this software is free, you see. So I think people also need to understand the basics of forex trading. Like at least unafaa utake hata kama ni 1 hour ama ni 2 hours, kana msee mwenye amefanya hiyo kitu, understand at least basics ziko aje, like what is traded, what is the potential gains, what is the potential losses, which softwares are used, how do you enter the market, when not to enter the market. At least equipping yourself with the basics is going to make you stay away from the scam. At least those are the top two that I can really recommend.
Do you have any to add on, Mr. Mike?
Sure. In addition to what our director said, one of the easiest way also you can go to identify like a forex scam is account management. Most people, they don't know ins and out about the forex market. So you find that most people will approach you and tell you, hey, you don't have to have that knowledge, but if you give me that your money, your hard-earned money, I'm going to trade for you, and then I'm going to be making this profit for you. Now, that's one of the easiest way you can go to identify who is a forex scam, because if somebody is so good in trading, it doesn't like in trading, you don't require like huge capital. Also, with the emergence of something like the pro farms, that's the easiest way you can go to like grow your account. But now you find that most people will approach you for account management. So if anybody is coming to you and asking you for account management, that's like the first red flag that, hey, this one is not like the real thing. Secondly, because I've also been a victim, there is the pyramid schemes, or what we call multi-level marketing. Mostly those multi-level marketing, they are usually premised on the condition that you have to enroll other people. So the only way now for those pyramid scheme, like back in campus, there is a pyramid scheme that was called BNB, Bulls and Bears. I happened to be the victim, and I spent my hard money. yeah, I was approached. So it was, they told me you need to have some good amount. And then also the profit that they were promising me was like so high. They were like, if you invest like 50,000, we'll be giving you 25% in a week. So in a month, you have already returned your money. But now for you to be able to make more money, you have now to bring more people. Yeah. So that now you have to approach more people, tell them about this new investment thing that will make them more money. And on to me, I live to tell the story.
So Mike has mentioned account management. I think most people fall prey to account management because they don't have that skill for trading, and maybe they don't have the capital to invest in a training or something. Is there something that can be used instead of account management that someone can, like me, when you see hizo skills that could trade? Is there something alternative that I can use ndio nisi fall prey into the account management?
Yeah, so there are a couple of options, and one of the most popular and safe way is copy trading at the moment. So copy trading means like you don't have to issue your logins to somebody so that they can trade for you. So basically, it's a system which connects different MT4, MT5 accounts from one master account to the different ones. And the beauty about this one is that the investor or somebody who is copying can actually be able to put the limits of their losses. For instance, they can mitigate it in such a way that, for instance, for me, I'm comfortable with losing maximum of 20%. So this means that if the master account goes on a drawdown of less than 20, more than 20, at least 20%, then the copier disconnects automatically. I think secondly is also having at least a verified track record, apart from relying from screenshots from guys, because most scammers will actually show you, you will not even realize if it's a demo or if it's a live account. So screenshots of trades like blues, msi atakuonyesha, hey, I made 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and they're also there begging you to, put in some money. I'm gonna make you a millionaire and some such of kind sweet words. So a verified track record and the most trusted software that is available in the market. There are a couple of them, but myself, I use mostly my FX book. It's quite reliable in terms of visualization for anybody who wants to make an analysis of your trading approach, a strategy, and also in terms of risk parameters. So there are also a couple of others, which I think there is MQL5, there is FX Blue, but my FX book is the one that I can really recommend. I think I have a way to through it, like I understand it fully. Yep.
I believe people have really been educated about Forex scams. In the news, we keep seeing that people have been scammed week in, week out. Why do you think people are still falling prey to these scammers?
I think Mike can put his input on that one, and then I can add.
Sure, I think it's the desire to make quick profit. So most people usually, anything that can help you to make quick profit or anything that is promising you to make quick profit, people will always get into it. Like if you tell somebody, hey, if you invest like in government shares or government bonds, treasury bills, if you invest in like circles, they should like per annum, they should like promise you like 10%. But now anything that is promising you, like on average, is usually like 10 to around 15% per annum in most of the money market funds. But now, when it comes to like this Forex scam, you find that they are promising you like 100% in a month or 30% in a month. Now, which makes you now to see like other investment options, they are not that viable. So most people will always go for those anything that is promising higher returns than the norm, and that's now one of the easiest way how people usually get scammed especially in the Forex market.
Yeah, I think just to add on is I think the lucrativeness of the Forex market is what makes most people fall prey. But what people don't actually communicate out there is that in Forex trading, you can actually make big money, but at the same time, you may lose if at all the risk parameters are not very okay or they're not in order. So I think people need to shrug off the get rich quick scheme mentality, and just understand that just a business like any other. Forex trading should be treated by like a business. At the end of it all, if you have to jump into Forex trading, jump also with some information that of the do's and the don'ts.
Okay, both of you have repeated the same thing quite a number of times. Forex is not a get rich scam. We
Get
see
rich quick
people,
scheme.
yeah, we see people flashing cars, houses, money. What any Forex traders? You want to say when I join Forex, I won't start flashing cars like next week?
I think there is something there's something that lures people to something which is flashy. By the fact that people have that mindset of forex trading is just a kufinya button could download dollars. So now people also come with that setup of the flashiness to pose as forex traders, and we've seen actually in the recent times whereby like all the flashy. I'll tell you, even to be honest, like the best traders in Kenya, you can even hardly know them. Like they are not people who are out there flashing their lifestyle to the community or to the social. They are very self and low maintained traders. So we ourselves here, we've not done that actually, just to be very clear. So, but now the flashy lifestyle is just a very intelligent way of luring people into the forex, into their forex scam. So the scammers will pose with rented houses. The scammers will pose with the rented cars that ataenda piga videos kama 100 within a span of 1 week or 2 weeks. Hapo hivyo anabadilisha manguo, nyumba pia amerent pale hivyo, but saying this, come visit my multi-million mansion and so on and so forth. So it acts as a clickbait, or rather as a bait to people who are interested in that business model, so without knowing. So behind the scenes, ni clear.
Sure. Maybe to add on, anybody that has been in this industry for quite some time will tell you that forex trading requires a lot of hard work, because it entails market analysis, knowledge about risk management. It also involves how you can be able to manage emotions when you're trading, and all that, it takes quite some time to master. That's maybe what I can add from what our director has said. So when it comes to trading, approach it as a skill like any other. That's like the easiest you can do to learn the ins and outs about the forex market.
Okay, we are running out of time, so I'm going to give each of you at least 10 seconds to give advice to a person who is out there and they want to start forex trading. We'll start with you, Mike.
Sure. One thing that I can advise somebody is that always in this industry, I would really recommend that somebody to have a mentor. You see, when you have somebody who is in this industry, or when you have a forex mentor, one thing that a forex mentor usually does is that he will shorten the learning curve by more than half. So there may be the mistake that person really did when you were starting out in forex. You don't necessarily have to make them. So I would really recommend somebody. You can never invest in something that you have no knowledge about. So have somebody who knows the ins and outs, that will help you to learn easily, as well as will shorten your learning curve. And that way you'll be able even to see progress easily than most people would do. Because if you decide maybe to pursue forex by yourself, you take maybe longer. I'm not saying that it's not possible. You take maybe longer, but if you have someone that is guiding you, it's easier. It's easier also for you to learn the ins and outs. Yeah.
As for me, I would like to tell people out there to take time in investing in themselves. And the easiest way that you can invest yourself is actually educating yourself on the do's and don'ts. So there are so many people out there, including us, offering free beginner classes that you can actually consume even before you enroll, or even before you get yourself deep into forex trading. So it's always good to educate yourself. Take your time. Again, as you just get into the forex trading world, I just need to shift your mindset that forex trading is a business like any other. Don't get lured by get rich quick schemes, and all the safe, and take care as you jump into the forex trading world. See you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mike and Mr. Alex, for honoring the invite. For those who have watched, you've learned that Forex can be highly profitable if you have the right knowledge and the right skill. Make sure you trade safe and trade smart. Till next time, bye-bye.